Pakistan. During the press conference, India also released time-stamped images showing its air bases unharmed to counter Pakistan's propaganda. The Pakistan government had claimed air bases at Sirsa and Suratgarh were targeted by their weapon system.
Pakistan has also attempted to execute a continued malicious misinformation campaign with claims of destruction of Indian S-400 system at Adampur, destruction of airfields at Suratgarh and Sirsa, BrahMos base at Nagrota, RT gun positions at Derangyari and Chandigarh forward ammunition depot, with heavy damages to other military stations being propagated on social media. India unequivocally rejects these false narratives being spread by Pakistan.
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar held a meeting with religious leaders to express solidarity amid tensions between India and Pakistan. He thanked them for their support and condemned terrorism, emphasizing efforts to maintain law and order in Meghalaya. The leaders affirmed their commitment to peace and backed the union government. Education Minister Rakam Sangma urged citizens to stand united and pray for the armed forces, while Power Minister A.T. Mondal asserted that terrorism has no place in the country.
Terrorism, condemned terrorism, not only in India, anywhere in any part of the world. We have to condemn the terrorism. So, here we belong to a different community, different religion, different language. Even then also belongs to one nation. We belong to one nation. Keeping that view, our invitation have been accepted today, and all of you had come, and whatever the call was there from the union government, that you have been honored, and the decision taken by the union government after this Pahalgam issue, and whatever the decision taken by the union government, wholeheartedly all of you have been supported.
Rajya Sabha MP from Meghalaya, Dr. W.R. Kharluki, today inaugurated 2 projects under MP LATS 2024-25 and 1 project under the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund CMSDF 2024-25, and also released 1 ambulance under the CMSDF 2024-25 at Rangthong Village, Southwest Khasi Hills District. The program was also attended by local officials, students and residents of Rangthong Village. The 3 projects include cementing the campus of Rangthong Community Hall and construction of fencing for the Dorbar Hall at Rangthong amounting ₹10 lakhs each under MP LATS 2024-25, and construction of retaining wall for Rangthong Dorbar Hall under CMSDF 2024-25 amounting ₹9 lakhs. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Kharluki praised Rangthong Village Mintri Kitborlang Nongrem for his efforts in bringing development to the village.
Kenal bang ini jenang rekhi, baik tak ada buk jenguk ha, tak, buk jenguk ha, bang ngalap mati, bang ublay pun perlu Krishna, bang sisi sisi, hilong melam, legari, bang kejan berdiri jadi.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma marked a significant moment for the state's agricultural sector by flagging off 1,700 metric tons of broom grass from Clay Umstem Ribhoi district. The initiative under the CM Assure scheme aims to boost agricultural resilience and rural development. Several dignitaries, including Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar and Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal, attended the event. Sangma emphasized the government's support for farmers through various schemes like the turmeric and ginger missions, CM Assure and CM Elevate.
But decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner.
Tibetan parliament members in exile Wangdu Dorji and Geje Lobsang Phende met Meghalaya Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek to enhance relations with India and Meghalaya. During their visit to Shillong, they expressed gratitude to the Indian government and people for supporting the Tibetan cause. Dorji highlighted concerns over China's actions in Tibet, including threats to Tibetan culture, identity and religion. He also accused China of exploiting natural resources and warned them that China's large dam construction on the Brahmaputra River could pose future risks to India.
And my colleague. So the main purpose here to meet with the Honorable Minister is to basically to strengthen our relationship, because Indian government and Indian people, they have been really kind and supportive for the Tibetan cause for more than 60 years. So we are here to thank the Indian government and Meghalaya government for supporting the Tibetan cause and helping the Tibetan people who are living here in Shillong. And at the same time, to update about the present critical situation inside Tibet under the Chinese authoritarian regime.
Mawsynram MLA Olan Singh Suin has urged residents to remain vigilant along the Indo-Bangla border following heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. While speaking to the media, Suin assuring that his constituency remained relatively secure due to extensive fencing. Suin acknowledged concerns over the closure of border huts, which has significantly impacted the livelihood of those dependent on cross-border trade. He emphasized the importance of community coordination in maintaining stability in the region.
There is a tension between India and Bangladesh, now tension with Pakistan. This border has come to a standstill. There is no transaction, business stop, income generation activities stop. So it is a major concern, because most of our people in border, they have income from the border transaction. So we have to be careful, we have to be vigilant on our border territory. And I do know what about the opening of the border hut, we cannot say. And the government is also, our government is also taking serious on this matter, and we are hopeful that the dialogue and negotiation between the central and our state may take place any time.
The Assembly of God Secondary School, Setlate Nongstoin, has cemented its reputation for academic excellence, particularly in science. The school has secured first place for 5 times at the district level science exhibition and 4 times at the state level, earning recognition for student innovation. In 2019, it qualified for the national level science exhibition in Kolkata, and in 2024, it represented itself at the Northeast Science Fair. This year, Class 10 student Kanwanwat Thirnyang continued the school's legacy, winning first place at the district level in 2023, 24 and 2025, and securing top honours at the state level in 2023 and 25. Headmaster Dr. Reverend M.S. Nongrem praised the students' dedication, crediting their success to their hard work and their mentorship of science teacher Kamper Puwen.
Kajing minon la kajing kitkhia jong ki khana school jongi hoi bule la ai ki ka sap par kajing smotho ba nalor rangta ro lai ro no hikai jongi o bala guide bala alam ye ki hatalanti ka ba day ba ken poi se kan ka thong jong ka jing job.
Students appearing for the common university entrance tests in Meghalaya have voiced concerns over unfair centre allotments, citing logistical and financial hardships. Representing them, Ryan Jeffrey Lingdor criticized the system, highlighting cases where students were assigned centres in different cities, forcing them to travel between exams. Others faced long gaps between tests, requiring extended stays and increased expenses. Lingdo urged the National Testing Agency to address the issue and ensure fairer allocations. He also called on the state government to intervene and push for QET centres in Shillong to ease the burden on students facing financial constraints.
We would be very much welcomed by the students if the government can take any initiative into providing CVT centres for those students who have been allotted the centres in a far-off city. It would be much welcome and it would be much liked by the students if we could get a CVT centre here in Shillong. We are not asking for CVT to be exempted, rather we are asking for our centres to be much more accessible.
As India continues to respond firmly to Pakistan amidst the ongoing Operation Sindoor, tensions escalated over the weekend following a surge in cross-border drone activity. The residents in Meghalaya have expressed strong support for the armed forces amidst Operation Sindoor. The Indian Army remains on high alert after detecting drone activity at 26 locations across the international border and the line of control from Baramulla to Bhuj.
Operation Sindoor is a reflection of the perfection of Indian Army, because the government of India has this time clearly explained that they are not going to bow down before any such terrorist group. And one thing that is very important here to understand is that they have changed their strategy completely, and the operations which they have done was so perfect that it has not affected a single civilian of Pakistan, not a military base. So that now Pakistan has no reasons to retaliate, and if he does, he will face a big consequences.
Now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 26 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature at 34 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 83%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 28.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 40%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 77%. And the forecast in Tura is partly cloudy sky with haze, while in Shillong and Juwai, it says that light to moderate rain is likely to occur at few places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. Pakistan and India have agreed to a ceasefire with immediate effect. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharluki inaugurates projects in Rangthong. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma flags off major broom grass consignment from Clay Umstem. And students protest CUET centre allotment issues, urge National Testing Agency to address the issue and ensure fairer allocations. Well, viewers, we have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, thank you for watching and good night.
অন্যহাতে পৰিস্থিতি সাম নকটালৈ চৰকাৰী বিষয়া কৰ্মচাৰীৰ ছুটিৰ সন্দৰ্ভতো আজি সিদ্ধান্ত